Hey, what's going on? Just explaining the 130 King trade, okay? So all this looks confusing, of course, until we actually turn on the annotations. Now, I normally use the body highs or the body lows and then ICT mitigation. But for this one, I actually use supply and demand. So let me explain. So here's the 130 King trade. So basically at 130, we're looking for a swing high or a swing low to form. Okay, this is a 130 line. So as you can see, we have a range right here, and put this in yellow. So we got a range forming right here, or maybe yellow is a little confusing. Put it back on red. So we got a range forming here, right at the 130, right? So we got a high and a low. Now at first I took an 18-point loss because I jumped in too early. Okay, it's totally out of character, but you know we do it as traders sometimes. That's why I took a loss here because I didn't wait for a clear confirmation of a clear range. This was a lot of times they don't set up like this. This is like a dead giveaway. It was clearly giving us a clear range. So I just hopped in on a short. Another reason I hopped in on a short and don't do this, that's the reason why the reviews are important. This is a supply zone right here, or a bearish order block zone. So I was like, okay, well, it's probably going lower because it hit this supply zone, which means that price is going to reverse. But what do we have right here? Price closed above 50% ICT of the consequent encroachment of this zone right here. So I was mindful of that. I was like, okay, well, why did I just go short when it closed above 50% of this range, which is a ICT, order block type of thing, bearish order block, but this is a supply zone. So I went ahead and took the loss. I was like, okay, just take the loss. It's not a big deal. We're going to get this money back. So I took the loss, okay, 18 points. I was mad about that because I haven't taken a loss all week, and today is Thursday. Don't have many weeks like that where every single day you're hitting. So I was like, okay, well, let's go ahead and be disciplined and wait. So I was waiting for price. Price was coming up. It was coming down, okay. It was ranging. This is really what you want to see right here, because if you mark up the body highs, like right here, if you draw a line out here, if you mark up the body highs, like right here, and you put a line right here, this is, if price closes above here, see, we don't look at the wicks. Well, you could do whatever you want to do, but I don't look at the wicks. I look at the body highs, the body lows. You see that? This right here actually told me that we were going higher, because when you see price open way below like that, when it's like, I call this the SpaceX trade. When you see like price open way above a bearish candle, we going a lot higher. So I saw that just by studying candlesticks. I was like, okay, we're probably going higher, but I didn't want to jump in because remember, I just took this 18-point loss. So I was like, I'm gonna wait for confirmation. So price went ahead and closed above outside of this range right here. And I actually went to the restroom, and I was trying to hurry back, and price was already taking off. So I seen price right here, and then the candle just closed, and then I hopped in. I actually supposed to get in right here, but with the spread and everything, it got me in right here. Now, where I got out is these liquidity areas right here, and I drew some ellipses around them. So what you got to do is you got to look left. You got to look left and see what the liquidity is. Remember, you can do whatever you want to do. I'm going to put my liquidity areas above the body high, not the wick, the body, because if you put it above the wick, it may not make it up there, but you can do whatever you want to do. So I have the liquidity areas right above the body high of the green candle, not the wick. Okay, so I thought price was probably going to stop right there, and it just kept going. Now, if I would have looked left, a little further left, you really got to start looking left, like all the way left, because look what we have right here. Price came all the way up past this. It came all the way up past here, but right here we got equal highs that I didn't see. Okay, and then we have this liquidity area up here that I didn't see. Okay, and so price kept going up. And I just went ahead and got out. I went ahead and got out because of the candlestick actually telling me to get out. And the video is about to end. Hopefully I can do this before the video ends. Jesus. I actually got out because of this right here. You see how the candle opened below that? That let us know we was going lower. Thanks for watching.